Understanding the PDF Scratchpad. I will bring up the datasheet repository and click on the first PDF file. The message is displayed in the highlighted box to select either Foxit or the PDF reader. In this case, I will be using the Foxit interface. Using the page commands, I will move to the specific page containing the table. Using the select area, I will select the area which I wish to copy and paste directly into the PDF Scratchpad. Let's take a look at the first command, the Watermark Editor. Selecting the display selects all of the content on the page which I can copy and then paste into the exclude for the Watermark Editor. As we close the form, we'll notice that the watermark area of text has now been removed. Now obviously this was not an actual watermark, but it gives an example of how to exclude watermark text. Moving to the zoom view commands, we can do a full view, zoom out, and zoom in. Those are also on the right mouse button, such as full view, zoom in, zoom out. Next, let's move to the PDF editing commands, including the framing or cropping, rotations, move, and done. I will move back to the PDF datasheet where I will copy in the entire page of content. First, let's understand the filter mode. The default or purple button is the select all PDF objects. The done will unselect everything. The blue is the text area, which will copy just the PDF text. And the final green button is the table select. We would have to have table objects to filter out just the table objects. Selecting the purple or the PDF data objects, I will enclose the entire area which I wish to crop. The crop button will frame the area that is selected, removing all objects outside of that area. The rotate will rotate or spin in the 90-degree the selected area. Very useful for data sheets which are rotated 90 degrees on the page. The move command is useful for selecting PDF objects which I may wish to move, or table objects if the filter is set to table objects to a specific area. I can move one of three modes: horizontal, vertical, or any. The done, which is also on the right mouse button, unselects the selected objects. The function keys, function 5, 6, 7, and 8, are also enabled as keystroke enabler commands to enable the full view, zoom in, zoom area, and zoom out. To demonstrate the tagging, let's auto build the complete table. First, starting with the red tag, which tags rows which are not to be transferred to the Scratchpad area when I do a transfer in. Transferring in the content, transfer the content without the two rows as highlighted in red. The pin interface tagging or blue command I will demonstrate by first removing the entire table, setting the mode to PDF objects, and then let's move some of the text out of the area to the top of the screen. Now this is very useful for PDF datasheets that have interface tags describing the description of the pin within the middle of the datasheets. To demonstrate this, I rebuilt the table, and then I will tag the specific row as an interface, and I will transfer the content to the PDF Scratchpad spreadsheet, and you'll note that in the first column the pin interface groups are all tagged beginning at the following pins VDD through the subsequent pins in the table or coming from the PDF datasheet. When transferring the content to the main spreadsheet, be sure to set the column tag to interface. Thank you. This concludes this session of understanding the PDF Scratchpad.